Demonstrations erupting across the country in light of the leaked draft ruling. Here's a look at what our news teams are seeing across the land. Today in New York, protesters flooded Foley Square, many with signs in support of abortion rights. In Tennessee, chants filled downtown Knoxville, demonstrators asking what this will mean for the poorest and most vulnerable women in the state. And in the Massachusetts State House in Boston, demonstrations and demonstrators are camped out on the steps, armed with homemade signs and megaphones. CNBC's Shomari Stone live among the demonstrators on the steps of the Supreme Court. Shomari, what are you hearing tonight?
Well, Shep, let me tell you, there are thousands of people out here behind me. I'm in the middle of it, and there are people who are listening to speakers, supporters of abortion rights right now. And on the other side, where Capitol Police have put up barriers, there are some opponents of abortion rights, but they are vastly outnumbered in comparison to earlier today. Let's roll some video. Both groups are held up signs. Right now, Capitol Police are monitoring the crowds. The department has stepped up security, closing several streets around the Supreme Court building. Now, today we talked to some supporters and opponents of abortion. Let's hear what they have to say.
I was saddened when I heard about this draft opinion. I support abortion rights because it's our body as women, our decision. It's a medical decision, and there needs not to have any court involvement at all.
We are so excited because we believe that human life begins at conception, and also we believe that women don't need abortion to succeed.
You're now looking at a live picture of the crowd. A woman has a sign that reads, quote, "Keep abortion safe and legal." On the other side, you have some people who are opposed to abortion. Here on the Shepard Smith Show, we present both sides. Now, more protests are expected this evening. One woman told me that some of the marchers plan to go around here, but what's interesting is that there are several streets that are closed, so they don't know exactly how they're going to march, but they say that they will continue to protest against this leak. Shep?
You know, Shomari, it seemed rowdy and fervent, but almost completely peaceful. We've not seen any problems at all, have you?
I haven't seen any problems, but earlier today I saw some people facing off as you had some opponents of abortion rights walking down the street singing, and then you had some supporters and they were facing off. But for the most part, it has been very peaceful out here, and you're looking at democracy at its finest as both sides continue to protest and demonstrate against this issue.
Shomari Stone live on the steps. Shomari, thank you.